Hello everyone, and here's what I made for my daughter's 31st birthday, guys, and also my niece Ayesha's birthday. Happy 31st birthday, lovely nako, and advance happy birthday, Ayesha anak ko. And to all of you guys that are celebrating your birthdays, wishing you all a very happy birthday. May you stay healthy and have many more birthdays to come, anak ko, and everyone. Let me turn it around for you so you can see. I love making bouquets, guys. When I came to Hawaii from Hong Kong, I planted so many, and here they are. I'm enjoying it, making bouquets. I love the fragrance that comes out of those buds, guys. Thank you everyone for supporting my channel.